This is an Indian-inspired curry soup called chicken mulligatawny soup. It's easy to make with lots of flavor. Stay tuned. This Indian chicken mulligatawny soup features lots of flavors like curry, garlic, ginger, and is full of veggies, chicken, and rice. Just what you need in this cold weather to warm your fingers and toes. In my soup pot on medium heat, I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. You always hear me say, onions, celery, and carrots are a good start to a soup, and this is no exception. I have about 2 cups of diced onions and 1 cup each of celery and carrots. I'm adding in a sprinkle of salt and black pepper now, and I'm going to taste it throughout the cooking. Cooking and stirring the veggies for about 5 minutes. These are the wonderful spices we are adding. I have 4 teaspoons of curry powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 bay leaves, and a sprinkle of cayenne pepper for a little background heat, 2 large cloves of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger. As you can see, these spices are going to fill this soup full of flavor and comfort. Cooking and stirring only for a minute to wake up those flavors. I'm adding in 5 cups of chicken broth, and I'm turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. To make it a little creamy, I have 1 cup of half and half, and you can also use cream or even a cashew cream. Giving that a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 10 minutes. This is 1/3 cup of white rice that I rinsed and drained well. You can also use basmati rice. And here I have 2 diced apples, and I'm using Granny Smith. These really bring some texture and a slight sweetness to the soup. It kind of balances all the flavors. Giving the soup a taste, and I'm adding in a little more salt. Bringing the soup back up to a light simmer, covering and cooking an additional 15 minutes or until the rice is tender. The soup is done, and I'm fishing out the bay leaves because they've done their job. I'm adding in about 3 cups of diced cooked rotisserie chicken and giving that a good stir. I'm cooking 1 to 2 minutes just to heat the chicken through, and we are done. You will be amazed how rich and comforting and good this chicken mulligatawny soup is. It's also a beautiful and colorful soup. Garnishing with some whole Greek yogurt, a sprinkle of diced tomatoes, and some chives. This Indian chicken curry soup is easy and comforting, and you can have it ready in 30 to 40 minutes. Full of flavor, and this soup recipe is a definite keeper. I hope you give my Indian chicken mulligatawny soup a try, and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to receive my future recipes. Please feel free to share my channel with your friends and family. It really helps my channel grow and it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, much love.